Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert MDaemon to Excel. Search on Google Recovery Tools MDaemon Migrator. Click on Download. Click on Select Files option to select your MDaemon files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing MDaemon file. You can convert multiple MDaemon files at once. Select MDaemon Files folder. Check the folder. Click on CSV. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Converted Excel files.